Nike continues to elevate the Field General 82 with bold transformations, highlighted by the upcoming zebra hair release for Fall/Winter 2025. First popularized through Union LA's collaboration, the once underrated silhouette has become a canvas for experimental designs, moving far from its 70s gridiron roots. This latest edition borrows from 80s Zubaz-inspired flair but delivers a sleeker, more polished finish. Synthetic zebra-styled hair dominates the upper, while black leather trims, swooshes, and dark rubber outsoles balance the wild texture with sophistication. Sneaker enthusiasts may notice echoes of other standout models, such as the CDG Field General and the Cheetah Adidas Samba, yet the zebra hair maintains enough uniqueness to establish its own identity. Set at $120 and launching exclusively in women's sizing, this drop exemplifies Nike's strategy of blending heritage with modern, fashion-forward appeal.